Changing your phone number on Squarespace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your Squarespace account. Access your Squarespace account by visiting the Squarespace website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are logged into the correct site where you want to change the phone number. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your site. Step 3. Select Business Information. In the Settings menu, find and select Business Information. This section contains your contact details, including your phone number, which you can update. Step 4. Update your phone number. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. This will ensure that your new contact information is updated on your Squarespace site. Now your phone number is successfully changed on Squarespace. Make sure to check your site to confirm that the new number appears correctly.